picked me up this TRX90X today, so y'all check it out. But I'll take a 13. I'm cool with it. So we got the 90 back. Parker may help me with it later. We're draining all this gas out the tank because I'm sure it's old. I'm just assuming it's old. So idle with the choke off. It's also got this wicked setup. Draining the gas out. So this is where we're at on this thing. I got it all cleaned out, but this idle jet won't clear. I've tried some pretty thick speaker wire. I've tried 150 PSI. None of that's working. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick I know. And that shit do work. Check this out. In case y'all thought I was playing. See there? Get that torch going. Get the little carb spray onto this, which we don't have right now. I'm just gonna blast the inside of it out. That's it. And it'll melt the old gas and shit that's in there. You don't want to get the jet too hot. I'm trying to finish her off, boys. She fires right up now, but we'll make her red again. At least. And black again. You know what I'm saying? Oh, come on. Get that sheen on there again. SC1's the shit. Look at this black. Man. Look at that. Look at that. Now she's shining. I should do the tires, but I ain't going to. Let's see if she'll even start. Come on. You can use the thumb or the twist throttle.
Oh, cool.
Remember, let off the gas when you shift it.
She ran into my leg full throttle.
It's a 2013 TRX90X. Got it today, got a pretty good deal on it. They're 4-speed semi-auto, and they have the electric start. So they're a little different than the, I don't know if these come factory on them or not. But it's like a, if you want, you can flip it up out of your way. Or if you want to use it like a thumb throttle.
Oh, holy shit. Dude, oh my gosh. Oh no, dude. Oh no. What? Oh no.
Somebody added a little LED light to it. Be sure and like and subscribe.